Hi guys! So in 4 days time I'm going to be heading off to Disney World in Florida. I'm so excited, can't believe I'm actually going back. I absolutely loved my last trip. If you're an old subscriber you might have seen some of my previous videos about Disney World. So hopefully I'm going to be doing some more Disney vlogs after my trip, and this video is going to be another packing video like I did last time. So I'm going to do a little bit of a mini haul. It's only a really small haul of a few things that I bought for Disney World, and then I'm going to go into a few things that I'm going to be packing, things that I think are quite important to pack but other people might forget or might not think about. So that is what this video is going to be. A bit of a haul, a bit of a packing video. Also, before I get straight into the video, I want to do a little quick mention. Myself and Jord watches are currently hosting a giveaway to win $100 towards one of their watches. So if you've not seen Jord watches before, I suggest you go and head to their website, which I'll link below, and check out some of their watches. They create absolutely beautiful watches that are made from ethically sourced wood. The quality is absolutely incredible, and they are packaged absolutely beautifully in these wooden display boxes. They're absolutely amazing. Got a little drawer as well. So cute. I absolutely loved this when I received it. I'm currently wearing their Hide watch. I'll do a close-up so you can see this watch a little bit better. I absolutely love it. It's great because it's called the Hide watch and that's my last name, so it fits perfectly. But this is the ebony and iron wooden watch. It's absolutely beautiful up close. Video does not do it justice. So pleased with it. It's so pretty. So basically Jord are giving away $100 to one of my subscribers to go towards one of their watches. All you need to do to enter is click on the giveaway link, which I will link below, and enter your details, and then you'll be entered into the giveaway. And I believe that everyone that enters also receives an instant $25 off the next purchase anyway, so it's worth entering just for a little bit of money off anyway. So as I said, anyone can enter, and the giveaway closes on the 1st of April, so you've got around a month to enter, and the winner will be contacted directly by Jord, not by me. So definitely worth entering and definitely worth checking out their website. So that's a little giveaway for anyone who wants to enter that. And now I will get into the haul section of the video. Like I said, I've only got a few things that I bought for my trip, because a lot of things I've still got from the last trip. But the first thing I bought, which is convenient that I'm on the floor because it's very big, I've got to move along, it is my suitcase. So I don't know how I'm going to show this in the video properly. It's massive. I decided to get a new case this year because last time I went to Florida I took my old case, which I used to take abroad with me everywhere, and it was a little bit on the small side, and I realised the amount of things that you end up buying from Disney World, I needed a new case that could fit more stuff in. So I got this one, and it was £50 from TK Maxx, which is really good because it was apparently supposed to be about £120. And it seems pretty good quality, and I didn't spend loads on it, so if it gets dinged up in the airport I'm not going to be too upset about it. But I just love that it's rose gold, and that's kind of the thing that I'm into at the moment. So I got that. The next thing I got I absolutely love, and it is a Mickey backpack, and I got this from Primark. So it is just the sparkliest thing you will ever see. It's so beautiful. And obviously this is going to look amazing in Disney World. The only downside is because the glitter is quite thick, it's quite scratchy, so when you open it up and put your hand in, it's a little bit scratchy. It's got really cute keyrings on the side, which are like Mickey themed, but I am going to take these off and replace them with another keyring that I've just bought, just because you can hear it, it's a little bit loud banging off the back. So I'm going to take those off and replace them. But this was about £10, I think it was, from Primark. I should have left the tag on, shouldn't I? I absolutely love this, and this is going to look fabulous in Disney World. So the next thing I got was the keyring that I'm going to put on that bag in replacement for the little Mickey one. And it's just a pom-pom keyring. I love pom-pom keyrings, I don't know why, just into that at the moment. And it's got a little rose gold H for Helen, and I'm going to put this on this bag instead, and hopefully, because it's soft, it won't make a really loud noise when I'm walking. And this was £2, so I really like that. The next thing I got hopefully is going to be a lifesaver for me in Disney World. Obviously when you're in Disney you're going to be taking loads of photos and videos if you're going to be vlogged in, like hopefully I'm going to be doing. So I bought a battery case for my phone, which is really nice actually. I only bought this from eBay, so it's not like a branded one. If I can find the link for it, I'll link it below. But it's just a battery case, it's fairly thin as well, which is good, it's not too bulky. And basically when you charge your phone in this, it'll charge the battery case as well, so you've got like 2 charges worth of battery on your phone. So hopefully my phone will last a little bit longer without having to take like a big battery pack, which I took last time and it was a little bit heavy and awkward. So that was about £17 or £16 from eBay. And then the other thing I got on the back, which wasn't included in the case, was just one of these phone finger ring things. I don't know what they're called, but I just got this from eBay for about £2 and I stuck it on the back of this case because I thought that if I was going to be filming anything on the rides, I wouldn't want like the phone to slip out my hand. So I thought that's going to be a little bit more secure when I'm holding my phone on the rides, and I can also maybe clip it to something on my lanyard, so when I'm filming on the rides, if I drop my phone, I won't lose it, so that's useful. The next couple of things I've got are not very exciting, they're just like beauty and random things like that. So I've got a can of hairspray because I needed some more hairspray, dry shampoo because I need dry shampoo, got some sun tan cream spray stuff. This is just from Asda and it's factor 30, and we're going to keep this in our bag and just spray it on us every now and again just to keep protected. Then I just bought some makeup wipes because I needed some new ones. That's everything I bought solely for this trip. Now I'm going to mention a few things that I'm going to be packing in my case. I'm not going to be going through clothes and stuff like that because that's pretty boring, but things that are important to pack that you might not think about. So I will go through that now. So a few things that I'm going to be packing. First things, which are really important for me, are these clear plastic like bottles and containers. These are to put like shampoos and conditioners in, because if you think about the size of a shampoo bottle and the fact that you're not going to use all that, it's a lot easier to just put it in like a small container like these. And these can be bought from so many different places. I think I got this set from Primark a couple of years ago, but it also had these little mini pots with it as well, which are great. Next thing I've got in my case, I'm basically just pulling out everything in my case that I've already got in there at the moment, are my Mickey ears from last year. I will be getting some more on this trip, but can't forget those. Got my sunglasses. So these were just from Primark a couple of years ago that I think I bought for my last trip. So that's always useful. I need to get some better sunglasses really, because these don't really block out a lot of sun. In fact, they probably hinder you more than anything, but they look cool, so sunglasses. This is in no particular order, so it's going to be a little bit random. Next thing I've got is this big sandwich bag full of quarters, and if I can just get one out. Shiny little pennies, because last time I went to Disney I did a few of the pressed penny machines where you put in like a penny and then I think it's 2 quarters and then you can get a pressed penny, which if I have one here, looks like that. This is a little buzz one. And I want to do a few of those again. So when I came back from Disney last time I had quite a lot of change left, so I found out all the quarters and the shiny pennies, and I'm just going to take those back and do some more pressed pennies. It's useful to have them all in one place so you don't have to keep thinking about having change with you. So hopefully that'll be useful. I've got this scale, this like luggage scale. These are actually really useful. Definitely either take one with you or buy one when you're there, because obviously if you buy a lot of souvenirs like I do, you might end up going a little bit over your luggage allowance, which you don't want because they charge an absolute bomb. So we take this and we just keep an eye on the weight of our cases before we go. I think last time we were both under, like just by a tiny bit under the luggage allowance, but because we had this we made sure that we weren't going to go over. So definitely have one of these with you to check that you're not going to go over on your luggage allowance on the way back. You can get these from anywhere, any shop that does like holiday stuff and like luggage tags and stuff like that. I've got my mini straighteners, and I'm also going to be taking my curlers, which I don't have with me here at the moment. But mini straighteners are perfect because they're just small and don't take up much space. This is also something a bit random, but we're going to be taking a 4-gang plug because the resorts at Disney, which is where we're going to be staying, they have loads of plug sockets in the room. Last time we went they were everywhere. But being in the UK, because we have to use these like plug adapters, instead of buying loads of these to use around the room, we've only got I think 2 of these, and we'll plug a 4-gang into one of these, and then we've got 4 plug sockets then, rather than buying loads of these. And we have these lying around the house anyway, so it's a good idea to take something like this. It takes up a bit more space in your case, but you don't have to buy loads of these adapters then. So we've got 2 of these as well. We've got a box of Pro Plus caffeine tablets. We got through a few of these, not a few packets, but a few caffeine tablets when we were on our trip, especially the first couple of days. We were absolutely knackered because we completely wore ourselves out. So we're taking these again this time, just for a bit of energy boost. We're also going to be taking some paracetamol and ibuprofen, just like a packet of each, just in case. Something else which is quite useful is this little perfume atomizer. This is basically a little perfume sprayer that you spray a large perfume in. So instead of taking a big bottle of your favourite perfume, just put it in one of these, and this should last you a couple of weeks, and you don't have to take a whole bottle with you. So that's a really good idea as well. I've also got this travel wash, like liquid washing powder gel sort of thing. So if you need to wash any of your clothes, like socks and underwear and things like that, you can just use this in the sink and wash it yourself. I've got a shower cap because I always use shower caps because I don't wash my hair every day. That's about it, to be honest, apart from obviously underwear and clothes and all that sort of stuff. These are just a few things that I've already packed that are very important to me. I basically just wanted to show you this bag, to be honest, because it's fabulous. But that is everything that I felt was important. And again, if you want to enter the giveaway, then please do. So that is everything. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in my Disney trip, like my last one, when I come back I'll be doing a Disney World haul, like a souvenir haul, and a like Florida Mall haul, because no doubt I'll be doing a lot of shopping again, and then hopefully I'll be able to get my vlogs up as well. So if you're interested in any of that and you're not already subscribed, then definitely subscribe and turn the notifications on so you'll know when I post those videos, and I will see you in the next video, which will be my Disney World haul. So that's so exciting.